Good morning, Focus Crew. It's Jamel here with Focused Hands, and behind me here I got the ST ready for another day's work. Today I'm going to be showing you the installation of the carpet on the inside of the car, but I also want to tell you, check back real soon, like real soon. I have a video coming up about the not the short throw shifter, but the shift tower in the car. This car had an issue with the transmission, and this video, after this video goes live, I'll start working on that to show you that I actually think I got the car shifting under its own power now, which is it's a big deal for me. But I'll show you, I'll walk you through the steps like I always do on that part when that video goes live, I think sometime next week. So check back in for that, because it's a really cool video, and it's going to be able to help you diagnose some of your transmission issues that you may or may not have, and I'll show you everything. You'll see it, and yeah, good luck with that. But anyway, let's get to this video on showing you how to reinstall that carpet. Stay tuned. Bye. So today's the day I'm putting the carpet back in. First I gotta get the seats out again, and they're already unbolted, as you can see down here. Already got the stuff unbolted. I'm just gotta pull everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll kind of show you how to put the carpet back in, and the bolts you need to use or need to undo to get it out. As I'm putting it back in, you just do the reverse of it to take it out. And I think that this will be a pretty good little video for anyone trying to really give their carpet a really clean, thorough look for any kind of rust that could be in the car, up under the carpet. And I'm also going to be adding some sound deadening proofing at the bottom or on this frame panel, just to give it a little bit of extra support going forward. Anyway, let's hop to that. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to start putting down the sound deadening foam that's over there. I need to cut it out, and probably put like a small piece right here, put another piece right here on that side and right there, and maybe a little strip in the back. So let's hop to it. We're gonna stick this piece, oh, not bad. Stick this piece right here. Just like that. Now we'll turn our attention over here to this piece. So we're gonna need a much bigger piece. Move that out of the way. Just stick it in here. Almost. So if we go this way, I need to cut a little bit off right here, and that should give me enough room to get up under that. Yeah, so I'll cut a little bit here off the end. So I'm gonna go grab some scissors to do that. Stay tuned. All right, got the scissors. I'm gonna go in here. just like that. And this shit's shiny too. It's hurting my eyes. Alright, let's repeat this part on the other side. Stay tuned. Alright, so now it's time for carpet reinstallation now that we have the sound deadening foam at least over like 75% of the surface. That's good enough than doing 100% complete over the surface, as I hear. So we're gonna go grab the carpet like I said and kind of roughly start getting it in place and teaching you all how to do it. Alright, let me go grab it. Alright YouTube, so let me back this up for you. So I finished the passenger side. As you can see, everything over there is all tucked in and looking nice and factory. Very, very, very nice. Got a little hole right there to see what's going on with that. Pull that back out. But over here, I'm going to show you what to do for the driver's side. And starting at the center here of this pillar, all you want to do is just tuck this in up under this pillar like that. This piece will be flush, and you come over here to your plastic tabs. This is why these plastic tabs are pretty cool. Pop them in place just like so, and there you go. And up here you want to stick this up under the other little plastic tab and into place like that. That locks in up there. That's like a little plastic piece right here. Want to put that in the hole. And you're good to go. So up here looks good. That's good. Got the wires checked. We'll move on back here and I'll show you how to do this part. So you're gonna make sure you pull this plastic trim piece up because it's attached in the back right here. So pull this up and out of the way, and then you'll go ahead and just set this and tuck it under this plastic trim piece. This has to go under. Let me use this 2 hands on this. I'll be right back. All right, YouTube. So I tucked this piece in off cam, like I said. Then you'll just hit this tab here to lock this piece in place. Then you'll just take your upholstery piece and push it down, starting at the front. Get a click, get a click. Supposedly supposed to get a click. See what's going on with the clicks here. This piece needs to go under, so that's unclick. This piece needs to go under this. Let me set the camera down again. So that piece is going to look like this. That's how it'll look, flush like that. It sits in like that. So we're going back here, click, 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 and like that. Now it's all locked in. Carpet's back in. Pretty simple. You know, another job you can do yourself. Really makes cleaning the carpets a lot easier to remove the seats and really get some elbow grease in there. I had to do a lot of elbow grease to get it to this state. Like I said, there's still some dog hair in here I got to remove. Just being transparent, but you know, I'll get to it and it'll look pristine. Anyway, that's it for this episode on carpet installation and I guess also removal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all of you that have been commenting on things I've done for this car and my current Focus. I really appreciate it. You don't understand. I think I'm almost close to 15,000 views, which is when I started earlier this summer. I think the channel said I had it since 2018. It's not really true. I think I just had an account but never really did anything. But 6 months ago when I started working on the cars on my current Focus, I never imagined that I'd have 15,000 people that were interested in the Ford Focus. it's a very special brand to me. The Focus is, and I think that Ford really is making a mistake by not bringing those cars back to the United States. Hopefully in the future they will, and hopefully there'll still be, you know, Ford Focus enthusiasts like myself out there willing to buy those cars if they do bring them back. Anyway, this is Focused Hands signing off. Peace.